Karbi Lamet Amai aro Arpu Kachelar. Jaipur Rainforest Festival along Karbi Ahemtun Kelanasai Kedeng. Hamren arong sepi along ta project pensi Christmas kata London. Kardom Nili morning news aralong pen durmi BP. Aprangsi nilihin pen kadu kawe phanta adap keme akardom. Non arjupon iksenang birtang ton pen. TDP Karbi Lamet Amai kapingkhat ateng pen matijong inkorapho arni bokolia Karbi Lamet Amai aru kacharai jiaphan arpu kachelar pusi katni salong birtanangle. Dhonsing terang aphan maipu, Sarso tiso aphan dun maipu, Ranjit terang aphan chunbang, Sanjoy Tokbi aphan rap chunbang, Modon Singh Be, Sap Singh Timung, Pen bang inkorapho alamet po pen bokolia Karbi Lamet Amai aru pherang tu. Aru kapherang amai along Karbi Lamet Amai akong chunbang kamsing hanseta chatong dunsi, Lamet kapang choji aphan birisore thandun. Nahar Katia along Matijong Tomkep Lapen Tomkep Raisi Panini Kedoji Jaipur Rainforest Festival along Karbi Anglong Asim Karbi Hemtun Kelan Padoji Pusi Nahar Katia Pen Honsere Po Deventimu Kadnews along Berta Pachini Assam Langmang Anad Nahar Katia along Matijong Tomkep Lapen Tomkep Raisi Nini Jaipur Rainforest Festival Karbi Asim Karbi Hemtun Kelan Padoji Nahar Katia Alanglom Asang Timilia long Karbi Hemtun Kekim Kerang Jiaphan Matijong Inkorapli Arni Karbi Anglong Pen Check Herim Jintak Chepon Plangsi Adi Malong An Palidam Tanglo Laso Festival Aprang Karbi Ahemtun Hempi Hong Parla Kekim Kapatang Sarak Jiaphan Thamateng Cyclem Pasik Ponlo Bharatiya Janata Party Karbi Anglong Asong Penta Matijong Inkorapho Arni India Prime Minister Barim Atal Bihari Vajpayee Pirthe Khache Arni Talondun BJP Angkur Kapachesta ka Bangphu Atal Bihari Vajpayee Matijong Inkorapho Arni Henlo Pirthe Khache Arni Matijong Inkorapho Arnian Alangli Arta Troksir Kebrak ke Thomlo India Prime Minister Barim Vajpayee Amhang ke Thek Arni ke me kachari Arni mate Good Government Day Pusi Sarkar Pipen ke hok lapen nangkatalon pangchenglo Prime Minister Alama Kama Pothaka Chithan Jiaphan Difu BJP asai Hemalong isi mai pado mailong BJP a mai poroton teron chunbang mate EM Amar Singh tisopen chenglok penaan ke thekeding abang phubang phiatum chetong dun Non malam sopor phan dihina pharman Birta Mointon Poniksna
Aprangsi nili kating honai nilip arat lapen Karbi Anglong arat kidoan aphanta nili ning aklong pen Christmas akardom pajir iglo kardom kedamtang aningkan kemesen pen kadu kowe ke jok kelong asom hosi pining labangso a Christmas pen ajok kadu kowe Karbi Anglong kidoan arat tumta ning arong ning kang sam lapen arna malong ahir jume long popusi nili ning thelo kardom
Holy Child Academy, Lurulangso, Difu Karbi Anglong. New admission starts from 15th of December 2017 for the class of playgroup to class 5. The new classes will start from 8th of January 2018. The academy provides many facilities such as computer education, secure environment, music and dance class, art and painting class, playroom, audio-visual room, school tuition, daycare, school tiffin, smart class, child development center, etc. Parents and guardians are requested to collect the admission form from the principal office at office hours. For more details, please contact at 9854-143-772 or you can also contact at 03-671-27900.
Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center. Facilities available. List of haircut, hair treatment, hair oiling, henna, straightening, hair perming. Full body spa, coloring, waxing, manicure and pedicure, party makeup. List of facial, signature galvanic facial, signature Aurelatus facial, gold, pearl, diamond facial, fruits facial, cleanup, normal facial, and bleach. Blossom Beauty Clinic and Training Center, KST Road near Atur Kimi Outlet, Difu, Karbi Anglong. Banalata Chaudhary Deka 9435539500. Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong Akenang Salahormu Ason Salam Pontanglo. Lasinang Tum Arniwang Kenang Sot Kechu Ason La Pentesiri Alang Hiti Kulat Along Long Pon Ikji. Kang Sirtang Kijun Alang Tharwe Alang Teso Alang Kecho Ajam Tu, Tharmit Aduk, Telua Kreng, Chitronola, Upthor Pen Chenglok, Ongdung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Longpon Ikji. Dihina Mopi Putat Bertalong Wang Tulo. Aningkan wang pen pangbar dam puloti pining surhinira kretroksi aningkan abang hamren arong supi along Christmas katalon dun alir alon pimuchot asonsi teklong. Rong supi arlu hitikolat along bitheta ajo porlote clari clarbong asonsi tekpon long. Hamren hiti kimilapen hiti barim along takulat kangnia tumpen cepaduksi rong supi alir alon ke pipon teklong. Matijong nipai isi pen pangchengsi hamren arong supi along pregjam mondoli ingkora phoatum plut plepin pen akaprek ajai mek pen Christmas katalon pon teklong. Ajahak adim ke gospel concert, ajahak adim along ajo Christmas carol, penangan adim along kelun ke kansi lachiklo ijon angbong tekpon long. Matijong nipai ingkora pho arni Jisu Kristo mahang ketek arni katalon aputak, God News ahamren arong supi, arlo penangan adim kahumridam ahut alang litum, koson pensi, Christmas katalon dun ma aputak cetan pon rinti. Dipu Sikh Committee atum pen cepatir piponsi pharo ke thomra phoke brai siang deng matijong niphai ingkora ke thompen ingkora pho arni an nithoma pharman Sikh anim Guru Gobind Singh amahang ke thek arni talondon.
Difu Gurudwara along Alir Alon pen Guru Gobind Singh amahang ke thek arni katalon ponalong Karbi Anglong SPGV Shiva Prasad Chitongdun lapen labang somai long Karbi Anglong angtan pen bangki thoma kuratum nangka Chitongdun do Guwahati pen Tirlachon Singh Mahendra Singh Charparmuk pen Proban Singh atung wangsi Kardom Kardesai Dengpon Singh Samjin pen Pachun Ponlo.
Pini morning news arabir tabang kalapon si Kangton Pon Iglo lang ibom ta God News channel domi thakme kurang tu.